bus.
There are also beautiful food trucks.
Hi!
I heard there's going to be a surfing event at the beach. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order?
We'd like to order this, please.
Let's take customer round cotton candy. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. What flavor of blueberry? Grape. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it. Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready! Wow, the